Another day in paradise. We started with breakfast by the pool, then a stroll along South Beach to find somewhere to go snorkeling. Another Fijian picture-perfect day. We were shown a path to this beautiful private beach. Check out that view. The water is always so perfect. It's so clear, it's so blue, green, and there was absolutely no one around. Check it out. Just us. We spent ages in the water just looking around, and then we found this crab. This is overlooking the resort. Then in the afternoon, back to poolside. We decided to have some cocktails. Cheers! Got a little visitor, then some entertainment.
I give you the summer in a cloud, you never banana. I give you fish and chips, if you take your hit and lose a round. Yeah, Ramba, I give you steak and milk, if you shake your legs and lose a round. Yeah, Samba, ay, 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 ay. Have you never been to Mana Island? Ha! And the girls are easy and the boys are hard to get. That's a man island way. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Have you ever been to man island? Oh, when the boys are hot and the girls are not. That's a man island way.